Hello friends, today we have a HUAWEI MediaPad T3 10 tablet for repair. The glass of the tablet has small cracks. Here is the full name of the tablet. Today we will change the battery. The battery has already been ordered and is on its way. When disassembling, you need to be careful so that the glass does not crack further. And that makes things easier for us. And so let's take it apart. Do not forget to pull out the SIM tray before parsing. Friends, now I will tell you how to safely snap off the case. We fall into the case and then slightly pull it away from the display. The plastic spatula must be strong. Soft plastic will not cope with this. On the sides, you can already try to go through more flexible plastic, since the body has already moved away from its place. I have cracks on my tablet and I need to do it very carefully. If you don't have cracks, then this can be done much easier than me. Here we see a cable going to the display module, so you need to be careful not to break it. Now we need to unscrew the plate that holds the display and battery cable connector. First of all, you need to disconnect the battery and then the display, so as not to accidentally close anything. I am not disconnecting the cable yet because I want to check the display module if I have broken it. The battery on it is dead and almost does not hold a charge. So I will connect the charger and turn on the tablet. As you can see, the battery icon is shown on the display. And so friends, as you can see, everything works. Then we take out the battery. Now we can see what the tablet looks like without the display. Here we see the big battery. Now you need to use the separator and heat the battery to 100 degrees. You can also use solvents instead of heating, so that the adhesive tape becomes soft and pliable. As you can see, we managed to peel off the battery. There is a very strong adhesive tape that holds the battery. Now we need to remove the old tape and stick a new one. By that time I received a new battery. Any new battery should show 50% charge when turned on. Let's check it out. Turn on the tablet. Our tablet turned on and shows 54%. We glued the battery and now we connect the cable. Next, turn on the tablet. Now you need to check the display again when assembling this tablet. And so friends, as you can see, the tablet is fully working and without stains. All friends, this video ends. Subscribe to the channel and put your fingers up. Good luck with your repairs. See you next time.